At the end of this video, you should be able to use molar mass to convert between mass in grams and amount in moles of a chemical compound and calculate the number of molecules, formula units, or ions in a given molar amount of a chemical compound. Chapter 7, Section 3, Molar Mass as a Conversion Factor. The molar mass of a compound can be used as a conversion factor to relate the amount in moles to a mass in grams for a given substance. Recall that molar mass usually has the units grams per mole. To convert a known amount of a compound in moles to a mass in grams, multiply the amount in moles by the molar mass. So amount in moles multiplied by the molar mass in grams per mole is equal to the mass in grams. Conversions of this type for elements and compounds is summarized on the screen now in figure 7-4 on page 222 of your text. To convert a known mass of a compound in grams to an amount in moles, the mass must be divided by the molar mass. You can invert the molar mass and multiply so the units are easily canceled.
The mass of a compound and the amount in moles are related by the molar mass. To convert from mass in grams to amount in moles, multiply by 1 over the molar mass of the compound. For example, to find the number of moles of water in 25.05 grams of water, we multiply by 1 over the molar mass of water, 18.01 grams per mole. We see that the units cancel to give us moles. In 25.05 grams of water, there are 1.391 moles. To convert from amount in moles to mass in grams, multiply by the molar mass of the compound. For example, to find the number of grams of water in 2 moles of water, we multiply by the molar mass of water. We see that the units cancel to give us grams. 2 moles of water have a mass of 36.02 grams.
At this point, you should be able to use molar mass to convert between mass in grams and amount in moles of a chemical compound and calculate the number of molecules, formula units, or ions in a given molar amount of a chemical compound.